Number 1.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,495, dependable and well-maintained pickup that has been driven 215,000 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.4L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, offering a strong balance of performance and durability. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a clean beige cloth interior, this 4x2 Tacoma provides a comfortable driving experience for both daily commuting and light-duty hauling. The truck is equipped with cold air conditioning that works properly, making it comfortable to drive even in warm weather. It also comes with brand new tires and wheels, enhancing both its appearance and road performance.
The interior remains in good condition with durable cloth seating.
While the drivetrain delivers the dependable reliability that Toyota trucks are well known for, according to the seller, this Tacoma runs and drives excellently with no mechanical issues and requires no additional repairs or maintenance. It has been well cared for and is ready for its next owner to drive with confidence. The truck also comes with a clean title, providing added peace of mind.
Number 2.
2002 Chevrolet S10, price $8,000. This truck has 141,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a tan interior and is powered by a reliable 4.3L Vortec V6 gasoline engine. The truck has been tastefully customized with a 3-inch/4 lowered suspension, a cowl hood, a color-matched hard tonneau cover, a custom side exit exhaust, smoked headlights, smoked LED taillights, black vision wheels wrapped in Mastercraft Avenger GT white leather tires, drilled and slotted brake discs, and dark window tint, giving it a clean and aggressive appearance. Inside,
it is equipped with an Alpine Double DIN Bluetooth head unit, upgraded door speakers,
and upgraded dash speakers for an enhanced audio experience. The truck has been well maintained, with extensive cooling system work already completed and regular oil changes performed throughout its ownership. It starts reliably every time, runs and drives well, and is ready for its next owner.
Number 3.
2003 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,950. This truck has 127,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and is powered by a 5.3L V8 gasoline engine. It has been with the original owners since new, has been well maintained, comes with a clean title, is currently registered, and recently passed smog. The truck runs and drives great with no mechanical issues. Major maintenance completed around 100,000 miles includes a new water pump, head gasket, valve cover gasket, full tune-up, belts, and hoses. This LS model features power options, and everything works as it should. The interior and exterior are very clean with no major dents or scratches. The tires will need replacement soon, and the AC currently only blows through the defroster vents, which is considered an easy fix.
Number 4.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,999. It has 170,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, this well-equipped 4x4 pickup offers the durability and capability that Dodge trucks are known for, making it a great choice for both everyday driving and weekend adventures. The truck has been upgraded with a lift kit, aftermarket wheels, and oversized off-road tires, giving it an aggressive stance and enhanced off-road performance. It also features a heavy-duty steel front bumper, a rear-mounted spare tire carrier, and a custom exhaust system that produces a deep, impressive sound. The engine runs clean, the truck drives well, and it has been maintained to provide dependable performance.
Number 5.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500. This truck has 106,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a blue interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features the hard-to-find 350 TBI V8 paired with the 4L80E automatic transmission, a combination that is less common since most trucks equipped with the 4L80E came with the 454 engine. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, including American Racing Outlaw 2 wheels, a new 35-gallon fuel tank and fuel pump assembly, new spark plugs, plug wires, distributor, grille, exterior lights, and a thoroughly serviced ignition system. Mechanically, it is reported to be solid and ready to drive, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a well-maintained, classic 4x4 Chevrolet pickup.
Number 6.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,000. It has 117,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission.
It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior.
According to the seller, they are the truck's third owner. The truck has no rust and was previously involved in a front-end collision before they purchased it. All damage was professionally repaired, and it was repainted with new wheels and tires approximately 2 years ago. The seller notes that the power windows and power door locks are currently inoperative, although the doors still lock and unlock using the key.
The airbag deployed during the previous accident, but the truck retains a clean title and a replacement airbag is included for installation.
The power driver's seat functions except for the forward adjustment, and the necessary replacement gears are also included.
Number 7.
1983 Dodge D150, price $3,950. This truck has only 50,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a matching black interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. Powered by a reliable 318 cubic inch V8 engine, it runs great and has recently received a full tune-up. The truck has been upgraded with a new starter, new battery, new starter relay, and new headlights. The rear differential has been serviced, and the front has been fitted with all new brake discs. Approximately $3,000 was invested just a few weeks ago to completely refresh the truck's wiring, ensuring dependable electrical performance. It starts right up thanks to its electric choke-equipped carburetor, which has also been professionally rebuilt.
Number 8.
1996 Ford Ranget, price $3,500, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior, a clean tan interior, and runs on gasoline. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the air conditioning blows ice cold, making it a comfortable and dependable daily driver. The interior is exceptionally well maintained for its age, with working power windows and a clean overall appearance. As an Arizona truck, it has minimal rust and remains in solid condition. The previous owner attempted to replace the ABS module, but replacement units are currently unavailable, as noted in the recent shop records. The truck has also received a recent brake inspection, brake adjustment, and brake fluid change, ensuring the braking system has been properly serviced.
Number 9.
1998 Dodge Ram 3500, price $9,800. It has 218,000 miles and is powered by the highly sought-after 5.9L 24-valve Cummins diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white, this 4x4 truck has built a reputation for durability and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for towing, hauling, or everyday use. A remanufactured automatic transmission was installed in 2025, providing added confidence and reliability for its next owner. The truck runs great and delivers the strong performance that Cummins-powered Rams are well known for. While the air conditioning is currently not working, the heater and fan function properly, ensuring comfort during colder weather. The dashboard has a crack with a missing section, showing normal wear for a truck of this age.
Number 10.
1987 Ford Ranger, price $2,500. This truck is powered by a 2.9L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This 1987 Ford Ranger has received extensive mechanical updates after sitting for about 8 years. The fuel system has been refreshed with new pumps, fuel lines, a sending unit, and a fuel filter, while the injectors have been cleaned. It also features a new map sensor, idle air control valve, muffler, ignition switch, and a professionally rebuilt automatic transmission with documentation. The braking and ignition systems have been updated with a new master cylinder, rear wheel cylinders, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. The truck runs well with many recent repairs, but it will not pass a smog inspection.